A lot of people have brought up this leaflet here. Now, you're familiar with this leaflet.
Yes.
People see that leaflet and they think that's just another politician who's a hypocrite. He was once against water charges and now he's for them.
Well, what I was against then is what I'm against now, and that was a flat charge that took no account of the circumstances of a family, the amount of water you used, whether you had an illness or your ability to pay. What is being introduced is very different. There will be no flat charge. Payment for water is purely on what is being used, which will encourage conservation and enable households to reduce their bill. There is an allowance for children.
To the pin of their collar at the moment, and water charges are just another tax on workers. People can't take anymore. That's a lot of what I'm hearing on the doorsteps from candidates who are out there. Is that not what you're hearing as well? People angry about water charges?
Yes, I am. And what we have to do, clearly, is we have to ensure that there is a fund that enables us to have a reliable supply of water into the future. And what we have constructed is a charge whereby it's purely on the basis of usage. So it will encourage conservation. It will enable people to reduce their bill. We have provided for allowances for children so that family circumstances are taken into account. We've provided a further provision for people where there's illness and where there's extra water that has to be used.